what innovative financing mechanism has most success potential for the industry?
Well, I'll take it in two parts. One is the most talked about instrument in the industry is probably the social impact bond or the development impact bond.
Mm-hmm.
These actually are not bonds. This is something we talked about today.
Mm-hmm.
These are pay for success contracts. They've gotten a lot of attention. There's a lot of interest in them, and we talked about that also in the panel. They are complex to put together, but very powerful when they work out well. And for that, you need to make sure the incentives are aligned between the outcome payer and the service provider and the investors. And you also have to make sure to have the right partnerships in place. Very important that everyone is playing the appropriate role in that partnership and that there's trust and transparency. And you also need really for the right orchestration of the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
And so it does take time to put them in place, but they're very powerful. But still, there's a lot of piloting work going on in this area. We heard from ICRC and the great work that they're doing,
Mm-hmm.
the first humanitarian impact bond.
Yes.
We heard about some of the examples in developing countries with development impact bonds. Again, they're not bonds, so I hate to use that word, but that's what they're called. But I think the other important thing is that it's not about the financing mechanism. And again, we talked about this today. It really is about what problem are you trying to solve?
Mm-hmm.
And how can that be solved in a more effective or innovative way, and that you're doing things more cost effectively, or that you're having more impact by doing things more effectively. So whether you're more efficient or you're more effective. And that's really the innovation in innovative finance. The innovation is not in the financing instrument.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually in what you actually do to solve the problem more efficiently or more effectively.